Hello friend, welcome to my channel. In this video I share with amazing crochet Thalposh. In this video I share with a 17 round. I hope you like it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Be sure to watch the video till the end.
Any questions, leave comment below. Let's get started. Material: yarn, yellow 120 garm, white 60 gram, hook, 3 millimeters. Make a knot, then make 5 loose chains, and attach with start chain with slip stitch.
So ring is ready.
Round 2. Chain 3 and make 11 double crochet inside the ring. Total 12 double crochet inside the ring. Next, attach the double crochet with slip stitch with chain 3. So round 2 is complete. Round 3. Chain 5 and make double crochet in the same double crochet. Chain 2 and make double crochet top of next double crochet. Chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Follow this pattern until the end of round. In the end, chain 2, attach chain 3 with slip stitch. Round 3 complete, and round 4, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the same ST, 1 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. Next, chain 2. Next, make 1 double crochet top of double crochet and 2 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. Next, chain 2.
Like this.
Follow the same pattern until the end of round. In the end, chain 2, attach chain 3 with slip stitch. Round 4 complete. Round 5. Chain 3. Make double crochet top of next 2 double crochet. And 1 double crochet make inside the chain 2. Chain 2. Skip next double crochet and make 2 double crochet top of 2 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. Chain 2, skip next double crochet, 2 double crochet top of next 2 double crochet, and 2 double crochet inside the space. Follow the same pattern until the end of round. In the end, chain 2, attach chain 3 with slip stitch. So round 5 is complete. Next, round 6, start with chain 3. Chain 2, next make double crochet in top of double crochet and in this space of chain 2 make 2 double crochet. I follow the same pattern in the next rounds. I hope you complete understand.
I share with you this round's pick.
I complete 12 round in circular measurement in 8 inch. Now round 13 is start and make 1 slip stitch next double crochet. Chain 3 and make 9 double crochet top of next 9 double crochet. Chain 4 and make 1 single crochet in the space of chain 2. Next make chain 4. Next skip 1 double crochet and make 10 double crochet top of next double crochet. Follow this pattern until the end of round. Chain 4, attach slip stitch with chain 3.
Round 13 complete?
Now round 14 is start. Slip stitch next double crochet, chain 3, and make double crochet to top of double crochet.
In this I make 8 double crochet.
Chain 4 and make single crochet in the space of chain 4 and again chain 4 single crochet in next space of chain 4. Chain 4 and skip next double crochet and make 8 double crochet in the top of 8 double crochet. I make total 8 double crochet in the top double crochet. Follow this pattern until the end of round. Chain 4, attach slip stitch with chain 3. Round 14 is complete. Now start round 15. Slip stitch and next double crochet. Chain 3 and make 5 double in the top of next 5 double crochet and skip last double crochet.
In this I make 6 double crochet.
Chain 4 next single crochet, next chain 4 single crochet. Chain 4 and skip next double crochet and make 6 double crochet top of next 6 double crochet. Follow this pattern until the end of round. Chain 4, attach slip stitch with chain 3. Round 15 is complete and round 16 is start. Slip stitch and next double crochet and chain 3 and make 3 double crochet top of next double crochet. Skip next double crochet, chain 4, single crochet. Follow the pattern until next double crochet. Skip next double crochet and make 4 double crochet in next top of double crochet.
In this I make 4 double crochet.
Follow this pattern until the end of round. Chain 4, attach slip stitch with chain 3. Round 16 is complete. Round 17 is start. Slip stitch and next double crochet and chain 2, yarn over and 1/2 double crochet in next top of double crochet. Skip next double crochet. Chain 4. Single crochet. Follow the pattern until next double crochet. Next skip double crochet. Yarn over, take a loop inside the double crochet and leave 2 loop, then 1 remaining. Next yarn over, take a loop in next double crochet, then leave loop in this way. Chain 4, 1 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end of the round. Now I complete 17 round end as same previous round.